I'm a pen aficionado, and I've tried the $200 pen, I've tried the cheap pens, and over the years, over the decades, this has become my favorite. So I want to tell you a little bit more about the features and benefits and why this pen is superior. This Pilot G210. Now, the number one thing about this pen is the tip. The tip ensures that your writing comes out the way you intend it to. Benefit number two is the smooth gel ink. It is beautiful. There's no effort being applied. All you have to do is just put pen to paper and it just almost comes out on its own. It's a very smooth writing experience. If you take a lot of notes or if you journal a lot, you know how important the smoothness is. You know how important the feeling is of having the pen on the paper and having the ink come out on the paper. See just a light touch and the ink comes out. This pen will allow you to transfer your thoughts and your dreams and what is in your imagination onto the paper and into reality. Highly recommend. I usually order a lot when I order this because I tend to really go through them. Even though they last a really long time, it's just my favorite pen. It's the one that I use the most. So it's a yes for me.